Competition Commission of India imposes a penalty on paper manufacturer for indulging in cartelization. Dear friend, the Competition Commission of India issued a final order yesterday against certain companies manufacturing paper from agriculture waste and recycle based paper, as well as an association which were found to have contravened the provision of section 3 subsection 1 of the Competition Act 2002. Read with the section 3 subsection 3 clause A thereof, which prescribe anti-competitive agreement. Dear friend, section 3 of subsection 1 refer as the anti-competitive agreement. No enterprise or association of enterprise or person or association of person shall enter into any agreement in respect of production, supply, distribution, storage, acquisition or control of goods or provision of services which causes or likely to cause an appreciable adverse effect on competition within India. Dear friend, further to clause A of subsection 3 of section 3 read as under: any agreement entered between enterprises or association of enterprises or person or association of person, or between any person and enterprise or practice carried on or decision taken by any association of enterprises or association of person, including cartels engaged in identical or similar trade of the goods or provision of services, which directly or indirectly determines purchase or sale prices. So in this cases, there is the case of the determining purchase or sale prices through the cartelization. Further, the case was initiated suo motu by the Commission on the basis of the certain material found during the ongoing investigation of two other cases. Although the DG investigated 21 original paper manufacturer and other association, it only recorded findings of contravention of the provision of section 3 subsection 1 of the Act. Read with the clause A of subsection 3 of section 3 thereof against 10 such paper manufacturer and the association. The period of cartel was noted by the DG to be from September 2012 to till March 2013. CCI found these companies and an association which provided its platform for such activities to have indulged in cartelization in fixing the prices of writing and printing paper. In this backdrop, and further considering that during the pandemic most businesses moved to the virtual mode, thereby reducing the need for paper and affecting the paper business, CCI imposed a symbolic penalty of ₹5 lakh each on the 10 paper manufacturer found guilty of cartelization. Further, a penalty of ₹2.5 lakhs was imposed on the association for providing its platform for anti-competitive activities. Apart from the above, CCI also directed the above paper manufacturer and the association and their respective officials who have been held liable in terms of the provision of section 48 of the Act to cease and desist in the future from the indulging in anti-competitive conduct. Copy of the order is available on the CCI website www.cci.gov.in. Thank you so much for watching this update.